Sekarang kita kat Penang Hill. Kita akan pergi Bukit Laksmana. Kita bawa member buat tengah nak training load. Tu dia member kita.
Hari lambai lah hari ni.
So nanti tengok kita punya video. Okay, bye. Okay, sekarang kita baru melepasi peak point yang terakhir.
Tak nak.
Peak point tadi apa nama? Kamera.
Kamera center.
Mid center lah tu. Kamera center. So kita akan terus ke puncak Bukit Laksmana. So ni tengok dah dari bawah. Ni apa kata? Ni batu ni sebagai penanda. Ni batu ni famous ni. Tempat orang untuk bergambar. Yo, dahsyat lah.
Okey, aku tak say, aku tak nak turun.
Tidur.
Pen. Aku tak nak turun. Okay, Maggi, naik nasi. Maggi pilih nasi.
Ya, kita sudah sampai Bukit Laksmana. Cantik ke?
Laksmana aja.
Laksmana. Awal. Kita belanja view kat Bukit Laksmana. Nice. Short ni. Mantap. Tu tak faham lah tu. Kita kacik lah. Boleh zoom. Oh, nampak. InsyaAllah tak boleh zoom sampai mana ni. Nampak? Nampak. Weh. Tak boleh weh. Dia tak boleh pakai gimbal tu. Oh dia. Apa yang nama?
There's something about you that caught my eye. There's something so true that sparks a light. And I don't believe in love first sight, but I can't deny this thing I found. I'm not saying that you would change my life, but what I'm saying is you make me come alive. I'm not saying that you are just my type, but what I'm saying is you make me come alive. Ooh, I'd rather be in this state of mind. Ooh, I'd rather be in this state of mind.
Real.
Macam banyak je itu.
Okay, bismillah. Oh, Allah Akbar.
Salah aku. Salah saya.
Tak.
Tadi buat bingit ni.
Salah weh. Aku kata dah, tukang masak bukan aku.
That you are just my type, but what I'm saying is you make me come alive. Ooh.
Okay guys, jom. Kita sudah nak beransur pulang. Dah berehat bergambar ramai pula. Ramai. Ramai orang. Kalau sekarang baru pukul 12. Hari ni cuaca macam nak hujan. So, kita jalan. Kita tengok. Tu. Orang tengah bergambar itu. Ramai ni. Ramai. Parti. Pukul 12, kita tengok sampai pukul apa je.
2 jam.
Lagi 2 jam. 2 jam lebih kot. Tadi 2 jam. Santai. Okay, let's go. Assalamualaikum. Okay, pulang.
Dia rumah saya dia jadi pening.
Jom. Kita balik.
Kita buat tempat tu.
Sini jalan ni track okey kan?
Ini okey.
Jom buat lari. Dah. Saya ikat landai. Ya.
She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. Oh, I can't go on. Yeah, I must be strong, 'cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I go by to make things right. I know you see me too, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling.
Okay guys, kita dah sampai bawah Penang Hill ke Bukit Laksmana, patah balik ke Penang Hill. So kita jumpa lagi next video. Assalamualaikum.
The scale is running wild, it's heavy on my side. I'm throwing things at you, but nothing seems to stick. I'm swimming round your aisle, think I'm losing my grip. I'm trying to hold on. Gotta keep on us down. Just a little bit of you and I go by to make